Hello, cake lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory, where we explore the sweetest trends in the world of cakes. Today, we are going beyond the traditional round and tied cakes, wedding cakes, and dividing into the modern chic world of stacked cube wedding cakes. Let's explore 15 stunning designs that will leave you inspired. The first one is minimalist white cube cake, a clean, sleek design featuring three perfectly stacked with white cubes with no fuss, just modern elegance. The next is floral garden cube cake. Each cube tires is wrapped in soft white fondant and decorated with cascading sugar flowers like rose orchids and phonies, a modern romantic fusion. The next is marble cube cake. Grey and white marble effect on cube tires with metallic gold seams, a sophisticated and artistic look. The next is gold leaf accent cube cake. White cube tires adorned with edible gold leaf brushed on edges, luxurious yet clean. The next is transparent cube wedding cake, a unique cube with one acrylic tire filled with flowers or fairy lights, and stacked cake tires above or below, an illusion that wows. The next is boho chick cube cake. Cube tires in soft earth tones like beige, blush, and sage, decorated with dried flowers, palms, and pampas. The next is monogram cube cake. Each cube is personalized with edible monogram initials or wedding dates, perfect for couples who love detail and personalization. The next is black and white cube elegance, a bold modern design with alternating black and white cube ties, sleek, fashion forward, and dramatic. The next is ombre cube stack, from deep burgundy on the bottom cube to soft blush pink on top. A vertical ombre dream for a sunset wedding. The next is vintage pearl cube cake. Cubes covered in ivory fondant decorated with edible pearls borders and lace piping, vintage charm in modern shape. The next is cube tower with edible frames. Use gold edible frames or florals on cube sides like a gallery wall. Make each side a piece of art. The next is abstract painted cube cake. Hand painted abstract florals, lines, or watercolor blush stroke on white cubes for a modern art loving couple. The next is cube cake with sugar crystal. The middle cube tie features edible sugar crystal, creating a geode effect surrounded by clean lines. The next is stacked cube with fresh blooms, a fresh sweet twist with real flowers placed between cube layers and organic softness to the structured design. The next is floating cube cake. Optical illusion clear separators between tires make cubes appear to float, rustic and magical. Which cube cake design was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below and take a screenshot of it so you bake a cake for your coming event. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your baker friends or family member, and make sure to subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing creative trends only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching.